I loved the house. I loved my large intimate backyard, my pool, but my house was far from my place of work. After some prolonged thinking, me and my girlfriend, who lives in a different house, sort of decided that we were interested in finding a common ground, a new place to live, and we went house shopping. Life sends these curveballs sometimes at you, sometimes good ones, you know, but we found a house very quickly. Now, when I got the house, we each had our own homes. We bought a third home, and all of a sudden it was becoming clear to me that I was in a rush to sell my property, but it could not be sold as is. I wasn't gonna get a decent return on my home. So that's when I had a friend refer me to Goodstory. They came in and helped me evaluate my property and helped me find these key fixes that we could do, key renovations that would, elevate the value of my house. So I moved out, went to my girlfriend's house. I let Goodstory handle the rest. They brought in expertise in design, expertise in renovation. I mean, have you ever seen a house get renovated in under 20 days? That's unthought of. They found good workers to come in and do all this in that short amount of time. I almost let my house go for $850,000. After a renovation of only $50,000, I sold my home for $1,100,000. And the reason it was actually done so quickly was that this was autumn. My needs started in late September, and we knew we had to hit market before November because there's a dip in the house sales around Christmas time, and then it doesn't pick up until maybe February after. So they helped me get my house to market before this dip, and potentially saving me from having a triple mortgage situation for a prolonged period of time. So, not only did I maximize value on my house, I also minimized my excessive spending from having 3 mortgages at once. I just want to thank Goodstory.
Good.